Welcome to TIG King's YouTube channel. Today, I will talk about one of the most important factors in stainless steel TIG weld. It is purging. When you weld a stainless steel, your backside of the weld should be protected from oxygen in the air, or the backside of the weld will be oxidized. Most of the welders call it sugaring. If that happens, the product is not stainless steel anymore. Seeing is believing. I will show you the difference between the weld without back purging and with back purging. I'm welding a butt weld of 2 plates without back purging. When you weld without back purging, you can feel it is hard to control the weld pool because it is very unstable. Let's take a look at the backside. As you see, it is totally oxidized. It is not stainless steel. Next to the weld, I start to weld again to show you the difference. Let's see what happens if I weld with back purging. Right one, it is welded without back purging. Left one, it is welded with back purging. Let's see the backside. You see the difference clearly. Right one, totally oxidized. Left one, clean and not oxidized. I'm sure you understand why you have to purging when you weld stainless steel. Do all metals need purging? Only corrosion-resistant metals need back purging. Most commonly, stainless steel, hastelloy, titanium, duplex need purging, but mild steel doesn't need a back purging process. Do all weld joints need purging? No, mostly butt joints with open gap need back purging. For example, when you weld the pipes and the head and shell of vessels, you need purging. If you weld fillet joint, as you see, mostly you don't need back purging. What kind of gas is used for purging? Mostly 100% argon gas is used for purging, like a torch shielding gas. Now I will tell you my hands-on know-how about purging. Purging gas comes out of the gas line 2 types, like faucet water or like water spray. Purging gas should come out like a water spray. If you use a gas inlet line without anything, gas comes out like a faucet water. I don't recommend this. Purging gas inside of the pipe would be turbulent and the purging effect may be low. Then how can you make gas comes out like a water spray? Just wrap the line tip with a rag. It is easy and free. Purging gas is supplied like a spray. One of the best ones is copper muffler. I strongly recommend this device. It is just a couple of dollars. How to purge the pipe spool? As you're purging them, the sponge is good enough. Insert inlet line with a sponge into a pipe. Make sure the inlet side is sealed so the air doesn't come into a pipe. Be sure to make vent holes to the outlet side so the air inside comes out. Wait until there is no oxygen inside of the pipe and it is full of argon gas. Now you are ready to weld. Keep in mind that argon gas is heavier than the air. Sometimes you may have to set up your pipe spool upright. You may wonder where you installed the inlet purge line. Remember, the purging gas is argon and it is heavier than the air. So it is better to install a purge inlet line at a lower position. Install purging dam close to weld joint. If you weld small diameter pipes such as 1, 2, 3, 4 inches, it doesn't matter where you put a purging dam. You install inlet line and just wait a couple of minutes for purging. Then you can start to weld. However, it is a different story from 6-inch pipe. it takes a long time until purging. In addition, if you use a low-pressure cylinder argon gas, it may fail to purge even if you wait for an hour. That's why I put a purging dam close to the weld joint over a 6-inch pipe. Then the purging is good, you save time, and your weld is easy. I hope you enjoyed this episode about purging and see you next week. Thank you.